Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a true American classic, the 1986 Chevrolet Silverado 4x4. Whether you're into vintage trucks or just love rugged off-road capability with old-school charm, this one's for you. Let's dive into what makes the 86 Silverado a standout in the world of classic pickups. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the 1986 Silverado marks the tail end of the third-generation Chevy CK series, a body style that ran from 1973 to 1987. The boxy design screams vintage utility, and that squared-off front end is unmistakably 80s GM. This model features a chrome front grille, dual rectangular headlights, and those classic Silverado 10 feet or Silverado 20 feet badges depending on the trim. Many of these trucks came with optional chrome bumpers, trim lines, and rally wheels, all of which still look great today if well preserved. Our featured truck here rides on factory steel wheels with all-terrain tires, and of course, the raised stance gives away its 4x4 capabilities. You'll notice the manual locking hubs up front. No electronic shift on the fly here, just good old-fashioned manual control. The 8-foot bed or optional 6.5-foot short bed offered great utility, and back in 86, you could get it in regular cab, extended cab, or crew cab configurations. Interior. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's simple but built to last. The Silverado trim meant you were getting some nice creature comforts for the time. Think plush cloth bench seats, padded dashboard, and carpeted floors, a big step up from the barebones Cheyenne or custom deluxe trims. The dashboard layout is classic GM, big analog gauges, rotary HVAC controls, and yes, that classic two-spoke Chevy steering wheel. A factory AM/FM radio or optional cassette player brought in some tunes, and air conditioning was available on higher trims. Many 4x4 models featured the floor-mounted transfer case shifter, giving drivers control over 2H, 4H, and 4L. This truck's cabin may not have digital screens or luxury touches, but what it lacks in tech, it makes up for in pure nostalgic charm and durability. Performance. Under the hood, the 1986 Silverado offered a range of engine options. The most common choices were a 4.3L V6 with around 155 horsepower, a 5.0L V8 producing around 165 horsepower, a 5.7L V8 that was known for its torque and reliability, and a 6.2L Detroit diesel V8 for those looking for pulling power and better fuel economy. Our model here is powered by the 5.7L 350 V8, mated to a 3-speed turbo-hydromatic automatic transmission, though a 4-speed manual was also available. With the 4x4 package, you got solid front and rear axles, leaf spring suspension, and rugged drivetrain components designed for towing, hauling, and tackling off-road trails. The payload and towing capacity could exceed 6,000 pounds when properly equipped. Sure, it's no speed demon, but it'll chug along all day with that classic V8 rumble and tractor-like torque. The 1986 Chevrolet Silverado 4x4 represents an era when trucks were built to work, with minimal electronics, simple mechanics, and timeless styling. Whether you're restoring one, daily driving it, or taking it off-road, these trucks are dependable, easy to work on, and full of character. In today's world of tech-heavy pickups, the 86 Silverado is a refreshing reminder of how durable and honest a truck can be. If you ever get the chance to own or drive one, take it. It's a piece of American motoring history. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more classic car and truck reviews. See you next time.